Next is a very important document, that is process and instrument diagram, PINIDs. This is the basis for piping layout design. So PINID is a pictorial representation of plant that shows all the equipment, associated piping, instrumentations and installation. Okay, so it contains all this information. The document is of prime importance and all design disciplines must conform to the PINIDs. It is also a means of communication between plant designer and operator or owner. Primary responsibility of PINID lie with process engineer, but technical inputs are required from other disciplines also. For example, piping, instrumentation, mechanical, electric, all disciplines contribute to this basic document. So if we talk about in details, PINID shows the following general information. All equipments are there, including spares, associated piping, including valves, line fitting, strainer, reducers, flanges, spectacle blind, actuated valves, complete instrumentation, PSVs, respirator disc, process requirements, if any slope or minimum distance is required, that has to be covered in notes, but it has to be part of PINID. Equipment elevations, drain and vents. PINIDs are not are made not to scale, but in realistic proportion and relative locations. Main process lines are shown as bold. Arrows are indicated for flow traction. Continuation arrows are at either end of the train. So all this information is mentioned in PINID. So PINID becomes the basic document for all discipline. In the starting of the project, we take MTO based on this information provided here. Initial state of the project. Okay, so PINID is a very important document and it is starting point for all engineering design.
So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.